We will now demonstrate the sub-assembly process. This is a one-time process, and all the parts installed will stay on the machine. An assist crane will be required to complete the sub-assembly process. First, we will install the boom base in the upper and lower spreader assembly. Apply a coat of clean grease to the boom foot and bushings and mounting locations. Then lift the boom base up to the mounting pin locations. Move the three-way switch inside the cab to the boom foot pin position. Now use the hydraulic boom foot control lever to extend the boom foot pins and secure with locking pins and spring pins. Install the shims as needed to take up any excess side play. Next, connect the cables from the angle meter and anti-tube lock system from the boom base to the machine. You'll need to secure the cables as to leave enough slack in the cable to allow for booming up to 86 degrees without stretching the cables. We will now install the backstops on the machine. These are stamped left and right to indicate the proper mounting locations. First, you'll need to pull the backstops out to about 32 feet 6 inches while on the ground. The lifting eye on the outer tube and the wear bar on the spring housing should both be toward the top. Apply a coat of Never Seize to all mounting pin locations. Then, install the backstop onto the main machine one at a time. Now we'll install the upper and lower spreader assembly. You'll find that the wire rope has been reeved to the spreaders at the factory. The total weight of this assembly is about 3,510 pounds. The total length of this assembly is about 60 feet. First, connect to the lifting eyes using the assist crane. Raise the spreader assembly from the box and raise up to the gantry. Clean the pins on the lower spreader and apply a coat of Never Seize on the pins. Connect the lower spreader assembly to the links on the gantry. Install the mounting pins and locking pins. Place blocking on the backstops to support the boom cable. Then lower the upper spreader and install it onto the mounting bracket on the boom base. Remove the clamps from the dead ends of the boom cable and feed them through the upper gantry sheaths. Install the dead ends of the wire rope into the boom drums and secure them with the wire rope wedges. Pull the boom wire rope to properly set the drum wedges. Be sure you keep tension on the wire rope as it is spooling onto the boom hoist drum, and that the wire rope is spooling onto the drum properly. Make sure to remove the top cover on the lower spreader and connect the cable to the load cell, and secure the load cell cable to the spreader with the plastic ties. Then you'll need to install the 4 counterweight lifting links onto the counterweight base. If equipped with an optional reeving winch, install the 3 cable rollers. Then install the 2 work lights, mirrors, and wiper blades. Place the load chart and operator's manual in the cab. Kobelco also provides a fire extinguisher that should also be kept in the cab. This concludes the sub-assembly section of this video.